I'll be showing you how to create a course in your Memberpress platform. So the first thing you need to do, this is your home page on your WordPress website. You scroll down to Memberpress. Under Memberpress, you come to course. You first of all create the course. After you have created the course, now that for what you need to do, you need to add a new course. These are the courses I've created previously. So for me to add a new one, you click on add new. When you add new, it will take you to a platform where you can edit the courses. You can add your schedule, add a lot of things. So here it is, the title. Let's say we want to do engineering, intro to engineering, intro to engineering. Okay, after the title, in this block, they said type or choose a block. You can come here, you will see a plus sign. Either you type directly or you click on the plus sign. From this plus sign, you can add, if it's a paragraph you want to add, heading. Please note that this particular page it has to be captivating for your potential clients, customers, students, so that they can buy your course. Now you add columns, image, or you can come here. This gives you a broad view of what exactly you want to add, if it's videos, text and all of that. So let's assume that this next block after the title, I just want something, just a random text. Here you just put a random text, and then maybe this next paragraph you can put an heading. How do I add the heading? You come here, add heading. When you add heading, you just reduce it. Let's say engineering. Okay, and all of that. So going down. Now another major thing you need to do in this particular page, you need to come to curriculum. Under curriculum, you have the sections. Of course, you have like chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. So for this now, we can say chapter 1 or chapter 2, chapter 1. Under chapter 1, you can say intro to engine. So after you make sure you press enter on your keyboard. When you press enter, it will automatically bring this out. Write your lesson name. So you can say lesson 1. Under lesson 1, this, dash. Then press enter again. Has to load. Under lesson 2, you click again, this, dash. Or you can come add a quiz. Then lesson 2, you add another, let's say section 2. These are just samples and all of that. So after you have done that and you're sure that you're okay with your courses, you can add your videos there, and then you come here. Now this is how you want the course to appear by the time your students take the course. Use accordion course page. That shows when they open a particular course, it will close the rest. So as they open, the rest are closed. Or you want all of them to be in this format. Now it means that all the courses will be visible, but we don't want that. So let's turn it on so that once you finish a particular course, the next one will open and we can easily view what it's about. Then use accordion in the lesson sidebar. It depends on what you want. You might want to add a sales page. Maybe you're doing a promo. All of this you might want to add them later. So you can either save draft or you view. But we can't view here because we have not published. After you have done all this setting, you have cross-checked and all of that, all this, you don't need to change them. So you just come, or maybe on your own you might want to just check if you need to edit any other thing, but this is okay. So if you want to publish immediately, you click on publish immediately, or if you want a time, a particular date that it will be out, all of this. Then if you want it to be public, private, maybe you are still working on it, or you want it to be password protected and all of that. Only to those with the password can view the post. So now after that, you put on publish. It's good to publish it immediately. Now this SEO is very important for search engine optimization. on Google Analytics so that your website can be visible. This is where you write the captivating words online so that people will be able to drive traffic to your website and all of that. So let's say engineering, and every other thing like that. So now let's see, publish. Now immediately you publish, this particular one will pop up by the left side of the page, this tab. So you click on publish, right click so that it doesn't take you away from this page, and then you open link in the new tab. When you open the link in the new tab, voila, it will take you here. Wow, we have created our course so soon. This is lovely. Okay, so how do we do this? After these are the things we added, remember, blah blah blah. This is our course. When you click on start lesson, it will take you here. So when you click on this now, you say start, it will take you here, and then we can easily, this is under lesson 1, blah, this is lesson 2 section. So this is just the beauty of it. This is just an idea of how it works and all that. Okay, so let's close this page and go back to our courses. Yeah, so where is it? We have created our course, Intro to Engineering. Now we are going to click this place and copy the link address. Why? Because we are going to use it somewhere. So under that, we are going to create a membership. The essence of this membership is that people will not be able, general public will not just have access to the course. They will have to come in through this platform, this membership platform. So you will register the course inside the membership platform. All your courses, you register it here. These are the ones who have registered before. So now you come to add new member, add new course. Who are those that? This is where you add your pricing to and all of that. So add the title of the course, Intro to Engineering. Okay, then you also have to write captivating words here and all of that. A lot of things about it. What exactly it's about. Pictures, you want to attach pictures, a lot of things you want to do. If it's heading, okay. Heading is supposed to be this one first. Heading 1. Maybe a subheading can be heading 3, then text will follow, and all of that. Okay, so when we scroll down, before we scroll down, if you come here to the right, membership terms, your price, you're setting it for, let's say, $15. Is it going to be a one-time payment or is it recurring? Access, is it lifetime payment or it expires or is it fixed expire? If you click fixed expire, give you a date when it expires, or it expires in how many days, So all this countdown stuff will show. Or is it lifetime? Let's assume expires in 2 days. Okay. So now under this membership options, you come to registration, sign up. Is it sign up or you want to say learn now? So under learn now, enable custom thank you page or send membership specific welcome emails. You might want to edit the email, but I would advise that you should don't, except you want to add some other things before all of this already coded text. So if you want to add, you can go ahead, but that's fine. So thanks for purchasing. So automatically the product name comes up. By the time you send the email to them, to write thanks for purchasing engineering stuff. So all of that. Okay, and then use customized payment methods. Let's click PayPal and Stripes. Customize user information field. We say no fine. Okay, what else do we want to do? Enable thank you message. And I want to do this too, so it all depends. Now under permission, allow users to create multiple active subscriptions to this membership. No, they can't create multiple active subscriptions. It has to just be one. Who can purchase this membership? Everyone? No, only those that are members. everyone. So let's just say everyone can purchase this membership. Of course, it's a public thing, so but if you want it to be your member, that's fine. You have access to purchase it, no permission necessary. So if it's somebody that is not in your, you write this one, but that's fine. So let's see, price cost, intro to engineering, price automatically displays, intro to engineering, benefits, you become a pro, you become grounded. Okay, I want to add footer text, a trial, convince you. So I just like you to explore, sign up or learn now. We change that one to let it synchronize. Learn now. Okay, good. So and all of that. So access URL. That link that we just copied, we are going to paste it here. I think I've done something. Okay, we have to go back to paste. We have to go back to copy the link. We have to go back to copy the link. Now let's see. Custom login user roles for this. This roles will be added to remove from the user to number based on the account. When they are not active by any membership, their role will go back to the role you set. Okay, so I want to also do this. Okay, might not be necessary. Alright, so while we go back to, let's still publish this or save. Okay, let's publish. We change this period because this is under. Okay, so going back, we want to go and copy the link for this particular course for intro to engineering. I told you that you will right click on view and then copy link address. Let's go back to membership. Under membership, you come to edit. Then when you edit, okay, good. Then now you can come here to add. That's under advanced. On membership access URL. Now this is the content. Engineering. Intro to engineering. So it's saying that if they don't purchase this, they cannot have access to the course. And then you update it. After you update it, now that we have successfully created our course and then we have created a membership page for it, what we are going to create a rule. Before you create a rule, make sure that you copy this link, your membership link. Don't copy the one for the course. So is this membership link now that you will copy and go and register it under the rule. Now let's see view membership. Let's see how the page looks. Intro to engineering. Voila, so this is what comes up, and then you see the price for 2 days. This is the price because we made it we picked on the expired option, and then you see learn now. When you click on learn now, it will take you to the first home page that we created for the course. Can you see? So it'll take you to the payment method. You pay, your credit card pops up, and then you submit. Then you can have access to the course. Good. So let's see. Go to your rules. We are going to create a rule now for it. That okay, for you to have access to it, create a rule. We are going to lock it so that nobody will just, a random person will not just have access to it. So under this rule, you create add new. Now this is the platform where you see this all contents. Now are you saying this person should have access to all the content? No. We want just a single page or a single course. Let's say a single course. Under that single course, you can now type engineering. Intro to engineering. So it automatically brings up the slug, the IP address. Okay, so grant access to the protected item above if logged in matches, if under membership rule. So intro to engineering. These are the courses we have created so far. So now this person is now a member of the intro to engineering, and now the person has access. So enable expiration. We want to click that. It expires in how many days? Let's say it expires in 5 days after the member registers. No. Or we can say after the member purchases any membership for this group, purchases the, yes, I think that would be good for us to set this so that the person will not come and register again or whatever. I'll give somebody the link. Okay, well, it all depends, yeah. It all depends. Okay, so authorize. Let's see. Any other thing? We don't need to disable the progress bar. At least we want it to, the more we scroll down, the more we want to see how the progress we are making. So I think we are good to go for this, and then we click on save rule. Now this is another beautiful setting. Maybe you have somebody, a friend or whatever, or somebody you just want to help and you don't want the person to go through all the rules of payment and all of that. So you just come to member. Here you manually, that's what it says, manually add a new member. So you click on the add new member, username, the person's name, and all of this, and then the course that you want the person to have access to for free, and this is it. So you see, send the new member an email, send the new member a welcome email, and then you create. So this person was manually added to your list of membership. So now that we have created our courses, we have created membership, and then we have created the room, it is now time for us to add a link to the website. So let's assume that this is engineering. Let's say this digital marketing is engineering. You come to it, or alternatively you will come to pages, all pages, then you see the home page. You edit. So under edit, this is the home page, and all the pages that you have this particular course, for sale and all of that. So you come, let's assume this is engineering. Let's say intro to engineering. Intro to engineering. Okay. Then you come to under sign up. You now come to link. Now this link, we need the URL for it. How do we do that? You just go to the courses, membership page, and copy out that link. Go back to Memberpress, then membership. Under membership, we look for intro to engineering, right click on view, and then copy the link address. Go back to paste it in the homepage website or wherever you have that particular course. Click on the home page. So you scroll down to where we have the course. Okay, now I just created all of these as templates. Then you click, let's want to edit this and put intro to engineering. Okay, under intro to engineering, you see the sign up button. After you create the sign up button, you see this link. Then you paste it. Remember we copied it and you press, make sure you press enter. If you don't press enter, it will not register. Okay, or maybe, and if you want them to open, let's say if we click the button, it will open a new tab if you want it to be that way, or you want it to be immediately after they click it, then to take them away from the old page. But I think opening a new tab is better. So by the time you sign up, let's Don't forget to update. We update. After update, then you see by your left side, this tab comes up. Right click on view page, and then voila, it takes you to the home page. Then you scroll down to test it to be sure that the link is active. So let's see. Sign up. Yes. Remember that we clicked on take me to a new tab. Wow, this is it. This is it. See the price here for 2 days, and all of that. Claim now. Takes you here until you have access to it and all of that. Yeah, I hope you understood it. Alright. Bye for now.